AI image recognition tools are becoming more advanced every year, and Claude AI is now being used for analyzing visuals, understanding screenshots, reading documents, and identifying objects inside images. So in this guide, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for image recognition in 2026. First, let's quickly understand what image recognition actually does. Basically, AI examines an uploaded image and identifies objects, text, people, scenes, or important visual details. Next, open Claude AI in your browser or app and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using a version that supports image uploads and visual analysis. Now upload the image you want Claude AI to analyze. This could be a photo, screenshot, scan document, chart, diagram, or even handwritten notes. After uploading the image, type a clear prompt explaining what you want the AI to identify or analyze. So you can ask for object detection, text extraction, summaries, or visual explanations business automation. And that's your full guide on how to use Claude AI for image recognition in 2026. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of how AI can analyze and understand visual content directly from images.